You asked to see a €1 house, and here you go. Now, a €1 is a purchase price, but the fees could be plus or minus €5,000 depending on the paperwork and the state it's in. That really falls on the buyer and not the seller in a €1 situation. See right there, I think that might be a trough. I don't know the history of the house, but at least it has water. The downstairs would all be living room, kitchen, dining room combined. The walls, concrete, is in great shape, but the plaster is not. So remove all that. Here's the only bathroom in the house currently, but it doesn't have a shower. So use your imagination, reconfigure that. Up the stairs, half the stairs don't have marble, the second half do. Beautiful. It's a really big, generous bedroom for a €1 house. There is no balcony, but as you can see, there's plenty of lighting from the window. There aren't lights on in the house right now, so it's all natural lighting. But again, it does have water, it does have electric, and it has the bones to do something with. So I hope you're handy. I'll add the contact information for the agent in the description.